Change your life. Watch this video regarding making money online tips and tricks. So many people talk about making money online that it is easy to think it is a scam. However, that's just not the truth. A lot of people make money online, and a lot of people make a lot of money online. If you want to be one of those people, make sure to keep watching for some tips. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. After watching the tips above, it should be clear that making money online is something you can do. You just need the right information, and that has been provided in this video. Now that you know what to do, make sure that you start doing it. You can absolutely make money online if you take action. Student loan.